it. I tried to get you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. I'm trying to get back before the cool done run out. I'll be giving it my best. This and nothing's gonna stop me with divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to look at somebody or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind, see like me. Open up your plans and tell me you're free. But look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. I love peaceful melody, and it's all God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate our time. It's sure this is our fate. I'm yours. Do 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 do. And do you want to come over? Won't you come up closer, dear, so I can nibble your ear? Spent way too long checking my tongue in the mirror, and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. But my breath won't relax, so I drew your face and I laugh. I guess what I'll be saying is to rain the real reason to read yourself with vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Say no, open up your mind, see like me. Open up your plans and tell me you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't. There's no need to complicate things, 'cause our time is short. Please, this is something. I'm yours. Always be yours. I am yours. So I woke up this morning and smiled with the rising sun. There were 3 little birds perched by my doorstep. They were singing some sweet songs. Yes, the melody's pure and true. They were singing, this is my message to you. And everybody, they were singing, don't worry about a thing. Singing every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Sing every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Sing every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Sing every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Every little thing, it's gonna be alright. That's the reason why I will not hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm so damn sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is simply short. This is our